Good evening, Mr. Jatin.
Good evening.
Jatin, you've just finished your mock interview here with
Yes.
us. Could you tell us how was your experience of the mock
The
interview?
experience was very good. The board was very supportive and very cordial. They definitely covered a lot of issues, a lot of current issues as well as aspects of my profile. And I think they gave very useful advice. And whatever I was missing or whatever I was lacking in, they've told me some places that I can improve. And I'll definitely be following up on that.
Okay. And have you faced UPSC interview before?
I have faced an Indian Economic Service interview that is also conducted by UPSC, but not for the civil services.
Okay.
Overall, this was quite close to the actual experience.
Okay. And have you taken mock interviews anywhere else?
No, not yet.
Not yet. This is the first one.
Yes.
Okay. So you feel that the board has been able to do some value addition in your
Yes,
preparations?
definitely. I think it was quite useful, and hopefully it'll turn out to be a successful venture as well.
Yeah.
And definitely this has proved to be quite useful.
Thank you very much for your
Thank
feedback, Mr. Jatin, and wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Ms. Pratibha, you have finished your mock interview with us.
Yes.
Can you tell us how was the experience?
I found the experience with interview panel very educative. So first of all, the diversity of questions which was expected out of me given my background, I found that they were sufficiently diverse and not just limited to one area. So it will definitely help me in my preparation, given I should be able to guess these questions would come up and should prepare on them. Secondly, they were drilling into some issues which is required, given that interview panel in the final experience will do it. So I should know about and should be able to argue about these issues. So I found that experience also very helpful for my final preparation. So the feedback was very exhaustive. They dwelled upon each and every one of questions they had asked, and they also told me on which areas I gave satisfactory answers and where I should work upon more. So in that way, I was able to recall my experience when I was giving the interview in the feedback also. So it helped me consolidate the ideas that I had presented earlier and what else could I say more. So this kind of interview feedback helps me in my preparation with regard to how discreet I should be while giving answer and where I should keep my answers concise. So this experience was helpful.
Great. Pratibha, have you taken any other mock interview?
I have taken 3 more mocks before that.
Without naming the institutes, we are not wanting to know the names of the institutes. But now that you are in a position to compare 4 mock interviews, could you tell us anything which you found, kind of a plus or on a different side at the interview which you have taken at Rouse?
At Rouse, first of all the members were from distinguished services, so their experience with respect to their services were reflected in the sort of question they had asked. In other panels, this is not always the case. Mostly there is 1 or 2 IAS or IRS officers. Here, all the panel members were from services. Their experience came into their questions, and it gave me a perspective about how the interview panel in the final interview would be thinking about all these issues. So their thought process helps me in basically reformulating my answers, how I should present myself. So this helps me in giving a psychology about what the final interview would be about. The best part that struck me that all the members gave their opinion about how I performed. So all of them pointed on different issues where I need to work upon. That has not been always the case with other mocks. So in that way, I get to know about what all 4 members are thinking and how I am being perceived by other people also, not just the chairman. So this is not just about addressing one person, but all of the members. So that kind of psychological environment that was given in this mock will be really helpful to me.
Okay, Pratibha, and one last question to sum it up. If I want you to rank us amongst the 4 which you have taken, where would you place us?
As of now, I would place it on first.
Okay.
Yes.
Fine. Any suggestion from your side, Pratibha? I mean, if you want us to refine anything in the interview process, or if you feel anything more can be done.
Right now, I'm not able to think of it because the overall experience was very positive for me.
Great.
Current mock was very good. It was an exceptional environment with very high level people sitting there in the ranks of officers. The questions were very diverse, and I think they let me know where I lack right now, and I'll be able to do better by working on them. So I'm thankful to Rausai.
It was a very great learning experience so that candidates don't get complacent and keep learning. And it was a very good feedback also. Actually, the panel members had a very good diversity. They pinpointed very small peculiar things which we tend to overlook and forget. The manner in which we have to stand, put the chair, and the eye contact. So these were very good, especially in the last minute to-dos. And obviously diversity was very good. I was asked questions from diverse backgrounds, from police to governance to my home state to even international affairs. And it was a very elaborate learning experience.
Okay. Vishaka, how many mock interviews have you taken before this?
I have taken 4 mock interviews in total. This will be my last one.
Okay. Now, when you compare this mock with the previous ones, do you find any difference? Do you find any distinguishing feature which makes this a little, apart from the other ones?
First would be the diversity, the different situational questions which were asked. That was pretty different, and the amount of feedback which was given, it was also very different because it went into the minute details and great focus on areas of improvement. It was up to the mark.
Thank you, Vishaka, for your very encouraging and frank interview. Good evening, Ms. Sanjita.
Good evening, sir. The overall experience was quite good because of the diversity of questions which I was asked. Everyone took quite a time with me to ask all the questions they had in their mind. So there were a lot of questions. So it was a good mix and I could get many questions I was not expecting, but it was a very good interview. They were mixed. There were some opinion based, there were some case based questions, there were some fact based questions. So there was a very good mix of all the questions.
So since you have faced a similar kind of interview, did you find any similarity in the mock interview with the ones which you have faced?
The one I had faced was it was very cordial, and this one I wanted an interview which would probe me actually to find out the lacunas which I am having. Maybe the State Civil Services Board has induced me into a confidence which is bordering on more of overconfidence. So this board helped me mellow down and find out what are my flaws and which I can work upon. So it was a very good eye opener, I can say. The feedback was quite detailed. Everyone took their own sweet time to give me an appropriate feedback, which questions, how I answered them, how I should have answered them, and even my gestures, my poise, everything was talked upon, even how I should dress up. And so everything was very detailed, so it was good. They even asked me if I wanted to ask them anything else, but so it was very good.
And you could relate to the feedback